Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will resolve vcruntime140.dll error on Windows 11 computer. So guys, please let me know that have you ever tried to open app on PC and you see the error, the program cannot start because vcruntime.dll is missing or corrupted. So you can fix this error by two easiest methods which I will be explaining to you. So first method is that you have to download and copy the DLL file in its home folder. For that, open the browser in your computer and type vc runtime 140.dll and hit enter. Click on the first link. Once the site is open, scroll down and you will see both 32-bit and 64-bit file. So if you're using 32-bit operating system, then only you have to download this file, that is 32-bit file. But if you're using 64-bit operating system, you have to download both of these files. We are using 64-bit, so we will be downloading both the files. So make sure and keep track of which file is 64-bit and which file is 32-bit, because both of these files will be having the same name. So let's go ahead. First of all, we will be downloading the 32-bit file. Click on download. Wait for it while it's being downloaded. So it's downloaded. Go to this folder, open it. You will see this is 32-bit file. Copy it. Once the file is copied, go to this PC and the local disk C where your operating system is installed. You will see there is a Windows folder. Go for it. And after that, you have to navigate to syswar64 folder where you have to copy the 32-bit file. Just paste it, replace the file with the corrupted one, continue and click yes if you see user account control prompt on your screen. So 32-bit file is copied. Go back to Windows folder and now we will be downloading the 64-bit file. Scroll down. Here it is. Click on download. Wait for it while it's being downloaded and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So 64-bit file is downloaded. This one, copy this file, close it. Again, go to Windows folder and locate System32 folder. Here it is. And copy 64-bit file in System32 folder. Replace the file. Continue and click yes if you see user account control prompt. So we have copied both of these files in our PC and hopefully the DLL error should be resolved. So guys, after that you need to restart it and the issue will be resolved. So for instance, we assume that the error is still existing on your PC. Then you have to download, we will go for the second method, and that is we will have to download Microsoft VLC++ redistributable package from this site, and link has been mentioned in the description, and we will download according to your system architecture, as we will be downloading the 64-bit file because we have a 64-bit operating system. So click on it and wait for it while it's being downloaded. Once this file is downloaded, you have to install it. And once it's installed, after that you again need to restart your PC and this specific DLL error should not be on your computer. So guys, do let me know if your error is resolved, and we will be seeing your feedback and we will try to improve it. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for further informative tutorials. Till then, take care. Goodbye.